Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are talking about YouTube automation, and it is the most important and trending topic on YouTube these days. So YouTube automation is a process in which you can outsource all the process of video making, and unlike any business, it will take some time, but it will definitely worth it. So yes, YouTube automation is very trending these days, and people are actually using it and actually making money from it. So today we are going to talk about YouTube automation in 5 steps. So the very first step and the most crucial step is video ideas. So it's gonna be the most amazing factor of a YouTube automation process, and you can do it by yourself because it will take a little time and some research. So if you go to a website like TubeBuddy, application like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, so these applications provide the trending search keywords according to your niche. So when you search for it, it will show the ranking of any particular keyword, so you can definitely go and check it out from it. And the YouTube also provides the list of trending topics when you search about a particular niche. So for example, if you are into making money online, so if you type make money online, so YouTube will suggest some trending topics related to that, and that will definitely help you and analyze you that what's the trending topic on YouTube, and best way to find the trending topics on YouTube so that you can make a video on it. Also, there is another tool which is called Google Trends. So if you go on Google Trends and if you choose YouTube from there, and if you type any keyword, so it will show the search ranking for that particular keyword on YouTube. And so it's very amazing, and all these platforms are free, but some premium members features are available for TubeBuddy, which is paid, but you can get the basic version of TubeBuddy and vidIQ for free. I will definitely make a video about it later. Searching for a topic takes little bit of time, but it will definitely worth it, and you have to select the particular keyword which is trending and which is having less competition. It will show in TubeBuddy, and also if you search on YouTube for a particular topic and if you filter it by the latest, it will show the recent video about it, and you can get the idea of video which is trending these days, and you can make a video about it. So yeah, it is the very amazing part of YouTube automation. And the second most important and the crucial part is the script of the video, and it is the soul of the video. It will show the fast pacing content of a video so that the viewers should never get bored, and it should be done in a proper way that it should introduce what this video is all about. You can get the audience retention, and so it should be right in the proper way and explanatory way, and it should be fast, and so you can do it by hire freelancer on Upwork and Fiverr. But I suggest you that you should do it by your own because it will save you money, and this is not a big task. With few practice and with some few rough scripts, you can make definitely a better script, and so I will suggest you to do it by your own so that you can save some little amount of money in this YouTube automation process. Next big feature of YouTube automation process is video editing, and this is the most crucial part because the whole video, the quality of video and how much your video go viral will depend upon the editing of your video. So I will recommend that it should be done by professional so that it should hook the viewers attention, and with amazing editing the video will definitely blow up. So I will definitely suggest you to hire a professional from Fiverr or Upwork or any other freelance website. So is having the hook in the starting with the amazing introduction and the transition and the effects and the stock footages, and so it should be done by professional so that your video will go viral, and it should be very fast paced so that user will never get bored of your video. And yeah, so I will definitely recommend this to hire a professional for video editing. Just do it and just make it amazing. Important factor for your YouTube automation is voiceover, and I will definitely suggest you to do it by your own if you can, because it will save you money in the automation process. And if you are good at speaking and if your voice is clearly audible, so you can definitely buy a mic from Amazon, and you can just read the script and in a proper way, and this is the voiceover, and you can just supply them to the video editors, and so it will save you money. And if you don't have time, like if you really don't have enough time, so you can definitely hire freelancer for the same, but I will suggest you to give it a try. Most amazing part is creating great thumbnail, and I will definitely suggest you to have professional because they know graphic designing and they will create the outstanding and the charming and the amazing thumbnails for the user so that they can click, and it is the most crucial part. Many YouTubers ignore it, so I definitely suggest you that you should hire a professional and order them to create a thumbnail that contains some curiosity or amazing graphics so that the user can click on it and it definitely get a lot of views. And it is literally the most crucial part. In that skill you will require a lot of time, and if you make a medium level thumbnail by your own, so it will not get that much views. So your thumbnail should be really good. These are the 5 steps for the YouTube automation process, and right now I will tell you that which part is really important in the automation to be outsourced. So it will be the number 1 is video editing. It is the very crucial part and you can definitely hire professional for it. And the second number is thumbnail, and the rest is like if you're good at voice, you can do voice over, but if you're not good, you can hire for that professional. But I will definitely recommend you to write the script by your own so that you can save some little money in this process. And definitely choosing a title and choosing a topic should be done by you, because it will require some research. You have to spend time on TubeBuddy and vidIQ or Google Trends or just on YouTube to explore the particular topic which is trending in your niche. So guys, these are the 5 amazing steps for your YouTube automation, and I wish you all the best for your YouTube automation journey. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this.